Home Remedies for Dark Circles. Article read by Neha Agarwal. Dark circles under eyes can be due to many reasons like fatigue, sleep deprivation, stress, depression, nutrient deficiency, lack of balanced diet, hyperpigmentation, sun exposure, or excessive use of drugs and medicines. Whatever be the reason of dark circles, they don't look good anyway. They can easily be treated with certain home remedies. These home remedies include using simple ingredients found in the kitchen, application of some herbs, certain changes in lifestyle, yoga, and exercise. Few ways to avoid and amend the same are: first, take enough sleep, say for 6 to 8 hours, whatever is suitable to your body. Second, drink lots of water during the day. Third, take a teaspoon of tomato juice, half teaspoon lemon juice, a pinch of turmeric powder, and a pinch of gram flour. Make a paste and apply it on the affected area, keeping it for 10 minutes and then wash away. Fourth, take 2 cotton balls, dip them into cucumber or potato juice and place them on the eyes. Mix lemon and tomato juice and apply it on the dark circles twice a day. Fifth, make it a habit of drinking tomato juice with some pudina, an Indian herb, also known as mint leaves, with lemon juice and some salt. Sixth, always use sunglasses when going out in sun to protect the eyes from harmful rays. Seventh, make a paste of turmeric powder and pineapple juice. Apply it on the dark circles. 8. Apply freeze cucumber juice around the eyes. This not only reduces dark circles but also cures puffiness around the eyes. 9th. Take some almond oil and massage the area with it every night before going to bed. 10th. Crush some mint leaves and apply them under your eyes, keeping it for about 20 minutes. 11th. Practice the Sarvang Asana yogic posture. It reduces puffiness and dark circles if performed daily. 12th. Some Ayurvedic therapies like Jal Niti is also beneficial for removing dark circles. Jal Niti should be done 5 times a week. 13th. Eat vegetables and fruit that are rich in vitamin E for healthy eyes. 14th. Mix crushed almonds with a few drops of milk. Apply this paste around eyes every morning, keeping it for about 10 minutes. 15th. Applying peeled and grated potato overnight at least thrice a week. 16th. Press the mount below index finger of the palm. It is good for eyesight and also removes dark circles. 17th. Dip cotton balls in rose water or chilled water. Keep them on eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. 18th. Apply a paste of herb called nutmeg, that is jaifal, with milk all around the eyes and over the eyelids. 19th. Make a thick paste of turmeric with tomato juice, lentils, also known as masoor dal, and lemon juice. Apply this paste around the eyes and let it dry. Then wash it with fresh water. 20th. Massage the area around the eyes with papaya pulp for 5 minutes and then leave it for another 10 minutes before washing off. 21st. Last but not the least, take the unsweetened, non-caffeinated, preferably organic or herbal tea bags. The tea bags should be hot to the extent that is tolerable to you. Place them on the affected areas right up against the eyelids. Press and hold for 15 to 20 minutes to get rid of the dark circles.